I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Adding a bank account to your Payoneer for Payouts is a straightforward process. Here is how to do it step by step. Step 1. Log into your Payoneer account. Start by logging into your Payoneer account using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the email associated with your account for verification purposes. Step 2. Navigate to the settings. Once logged in, go to the settings section of your account. This is usually found in the top menu bar. Step 3. Select bank accounts. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the *com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Add your bank account information. Click on the Add Bank Account button and fill in the required information, including your bank name, account number, and routing number. Double check for accuracy to avoid delays. Step 5. Confirm and save. After entering your bank details, review everything carefully. Click Save to finalize the addition of your bank account. You may need to verify your identity through an email or SMS code. Remember, if you enter an incorrect routing number, it can lead to payout delays, so double check that detail. I hope this guide helps you add your bank account smoothly. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.